It's August 30th, 2022. Here are all the raspberries that I'm gonna harvest today. Lots of them, and they all look pretty full, nicely pollinated. And here's the harvest I did today, August 30th. Also found a jalapeno pepper on the soil. It has dropped, so I'm gonna keep this. It's September 1st, 2022. Looks like there's more raspberry ready to be harvested. Over here you can see a stink bug is attacking one of the raspberries. And also here's the Cuban sweet peppers. Looks like all the peppers are turning red. This one is pretty much all red. I'm gonna harvest this today. The jalapeno pepper is also turning red. Here you can see, yeah, this one, there's a slight red coloration to it. Some red shishito peppers as well. And of course, a lot more tomatoes, also turning red and ready to be harvested. And this is the harvest I did today on September 1st. Lots more tomatoes, some peppers, including the shishito peppers, jalapeno, and of course the Cuban sweet pepper. It's a little dark outside, so I decided to take another footage indoor to get you a better view of all the harvest. And here's the moss rose. I decided to cut some of the flowers for indoor. And here's a better view of the flowers. And it's September 4th, 2022. Again, more raspberry have matured, and these can all be harvested as well. And this is the harvest I did on September 4th. Lots of raspberries.